Hello, my name is Sean, and in this video I'll be showing you how to evaluate factorial expressions. So it's known that when you have a exponent that's a fraction, it's basically the same for this example as the cubed root of 8. So this is basically telling us to find a number cubed that will equal 8. So in this case it's 2 rad 3. Because we need a number times a number times a number, where the number has to be the same, so it's 2, which will equal to 2. Now we're going to change it up a little bit, so now we have 8 2 over 3. So for this case, it's basically the same as 8 1 over 3 with an exponent on the outside, 2. So it's 2 times 1 over 3 is 2 over 3, which is basically the same thing. So we already know that 8 and 1 over 3 equals 2, and now we square it with the other 2, so that equals up to 4. So for our next equation, we're going to use a fraction as a number, and then the exponent will be a negative fraction. So the first thing when you see this is the negative sign, and to get rid of that, you find that reciprocal of 9 over 25, so that equals out to be 25 over 9 to the power 3 over 2. We do this because we want to get rid of the negative and find the positive exponent. So we're going to plug 3 over 2 into 25 over 9. So we end up with this, and when you see 3 over 2, it's basically the same as this equation, where it's 1 over 3 squared. So we're going to do the same thing with these numbers. So we see that we are basically just finding the square root of both of the numbers, 25 and 9, so 25 would be 5 and 9 would be 3. And then we're just cubing the numbers. So we now get 5 cubed and 3 cubed. So it'll end up to be 125 over 27. And that's our final answer. I hope this guide was helpful, and thank you.